In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build routines in Trello. We'll set up a simple, repeatable board using a proven template so you can focus on your day instead of building everything from scratch. Start by heading to your Trello boards view. This is the hub where all your boards live, and it's the quickest way to create something new. At the top of the screen, click Create. That opens Trello's creation menu, which includes options for blank boards, templates, and more. Choose Start with a template. Starting with a template saves time and gives you a structure that already works for daily habits and repeat tasks. Next, click Explore Templates to open the full gallery. This takes you to a dedicated page where Trello curates templates for different use cases. Here you can browse freely. You'll see categories like productivity and project management, each with a short description and a preview. Take a moment to skim what's available so you understand how different layouts might support your routine. If you're new to Trello, this quick tour helps you picture how lists and cards fit your day. In the search bar, type Daily Task Management. This pulls up a focused template designed for managing daily priorities. Locate the Daily Task Management template and click Use Template on its page. Using it brings the layout into your account so you can personalize it without affecting the original. You'll now be prompted to set up the new board. Enter a clear, descriptive title that matches your routine, like morning focus or daily workflow. Pick something you'll immediately recognize in your board's view. Then choose the appropriate workspace. Select the team or personal space where this routine belongs so the right people can see it and you keep everything organized. If you're unsure, sticking with your personal workspace is a safe default and can be adjusted later if needed. When everything looks good, click Create. Trello will build your board from the template and drop you right into it. You'll typically see ready-made lists for today's tasks, upcoming items, and completed work, plus example cards that illustrate best practices. This structure is designed to help you prioritize, track progress, and repeat the same workflow each day with minimal effort. And that's it. You've created a practical routine board in Trello using the Daily Task Management template. From here, the consistent layout will guide your daily rhythm and make it easier to stay on track. Thanks for watching. Now your routine has a home you can return to every single day.